Hello friends, welcome to Webmotley. Today we are going to learn about the basics of foreign exchange. First of all, why foreign exchange is needed at all. Then we learn about direct and indirect quotes in the market and the market convention used. Thirdly, we learn about the bid and ask prices in the market. Let's start with why foreign exchange is needed at all. As we know, today we are part of a globally connected world where business is common between different countries. Let's consider a businesswoman sitting in America and her base currency is US dollar, which is used in America. Then there is another businesswoman sitting in India, and obviously, as we all know, Indian rupee is the currency accepted in India. She is an exporter of rice and she exports rice to America, and in turn she will receive payments which is known as an inward remittance in US dollar. As the importer of rice, her base currency is US dollar, so she'll be obviously be remitting US dollar. Now the exporter of rice in India has to convert that US dollar into Indian rupees. Hence, she has to go into the market and sell these US dollar and convert them into Indian rupees. Hence, the foreign exchange comes into picture. Now we need a code to sell the US dollar. So let's quickly understand the basics of FX codes. There are two types of codes, direct codes and indirect codes. In a direct code, foreign currency is the base currency and domestic currency is the counter currency. For example, USD slash INR is equal to 76. This means 1 US dollar is equal to 76 Indian rupees. An indirect quote is just opposite to a direct quote. In this, the domestic currency is the base currency and foreign currency is the counter currency. If we divide 1 by 76, we get the value 0.013157. Let's take an example. INR slash USD is equal to 0.013157. This means 1 INR is equal to 0.013157 US dollar. Let's understand the market convention of FX quotes. Only four currencies are quoted as base currencies against US dollars. These four currencies are Australian dollar, Great Britain pound, euro, and New Zealand dollar. Let's take an example. AUD slash USD is equal to 0.65. This means 1 AUD is equal to 0.65 USD. In rest all currencies, US dollar is the base currency and other currency is the counter currency like USD slash Canadian dollar, USD slash Indian rupee, and USD slash CNY, etc. USD slash Canadian dollar is equal to 1.3915. This means 1 US dollar is equal to 1.3915 Canadian dollar. Now we are going to understand the most important and confusing topic in the FX market. What is bid and ask, also known as offer price? These terms will be used in each and every forex quote. Price in FX market is always quoted in a two-way quote. Let's take an example. USD slash INR is equal to 76 slash 76.01. Here 76 is the bid price. It is the price at which an exporter or counterparty can sell US dollar in the market. 76.01 is the ask or offer price. It is the price at which counterparty, that is an importer, can buy US dollar from the market. Please note that bid price is always less than the ask price. Let's dig deep into the bid and ask concept. We will try to keep it simple. Here I'll give you a real life example which you will never forget in your life and is easily relatable. So pay attention. A person goes to the vegetable market to buy potatoes. The trader sitting in the market will always purchase potatoes at a lower price and sell them at a higher price. It is the basic concept of business to buy low and sell high. Now let's take this example into the FX world. There is an exporter of rice which receives an inward remittance and he has to sell the same into the market. He goes into the interbank market. The interbank trader will buy the US dollar and he will buy at a lower price, which is known as the bid price. Now, let's take the other example of an importer. The importer has to do an outward remittance for which he has to buy US dollar from the market. He will approach the interbank trader. The interbank trader will sell the US dollar at the ask price, which will be higher than the bid price. Here, the difference between bid and ask is known as spread, another important concept in the FX market. We see that the basic concept remains the same. A potato trader will buy at a lower price and sell at a higher price. Similarly, an interbank trader will buy US dollar at a lower price and sell them at a higher price. Let's continue with a rice exporter example. Suppose the Indian exporter receives zero point 0.1 million US dollar inward remittance or 1 lakh US dollar against her exports of rice. Now she will go into the interbank market to sell the US dollar. Here the US dollar INR price is 76 slash 76.01. 76 is the bid price and 76.01 is the ask price. Hence, the counterparty will be selling at the bid price of 76 rupees. 1 lakh US dollar into 76 is equal to 76 lakh Indian rupees. I would like to end this video with a fascinating fact on the foreign exchange market. Do you know foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world with daily volumes of USD 5 trillion. To put it in perspective, equity market worldwide has daily volume of US dollar 84 billion. Isn't it wow? Thanks for watching Web Motley.